Hey, how's it going, everyone? So, yeah, today's the 29th of December, and today I've been super lazy, lying around at home, just wasting time away. But yeah, sometimes you need to rest, I guess, on your rest days. But yeah, so I've been chilling out, and then I went out into the forest and yeah, made a fire and just chilled out at the fire with some company. It was really nice, really nice, but it made me want to go on adventures. But yeah, it's starting to get up there. Ooh. With the cold. It's like freezing at night. So we'll see. We'll see how long that's gonna stick around or whatever. It's soon New Year's, and I think someone said that it's gonna be snowing and stuff. We'll see. But yeah, so after that went home and hung out a bit. And yeah, that's about it. Yeah, tomorrow. What the hell happens tomorrow? I really don't know. I have no plans. Rest day. But yeah, we'll see. Maybe I'll figure something out. But yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Good night.